Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the permanent central government vacancies notification regarding the group ABC posts, and here the eligibility any degree or else a postgraduate and few branch relevant degree discipline jobs are also there, and the salaries pay scales are mentioned here, and the maximum salary is up to 1,12,400 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Indian Institute of Technology Recruitment. So here you may check down the download advertisement for the group A as well as B and C. So both these two notifications we will see in this video in detail. So Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee, and from this one, so here you may check down that applications are advised to visit institute's website regularly for any update regarding this one. And the online application form will open from the April 12, 2021 to May 11, 2021. That means from today onwards, the online application will open in the official website of the IIT Roorkee. Anyhow, I will provide all the necessary links at the end of the description box of this video. And the last date to apply to this one is May 11, 2021. And coming to these are the few vacancies. Okay, so group A as well as these are the few more vacancies regarding the B and C. So we will see the qualifications and eligibility and age limit as well as important dates. So for both these two, the important dates are 12th to May 11th, that is April 12th to May 11th. And coming to the name of the post, it is the junior technician, technical superintendent group B. So specialization is laboratory services, and the pay scale is also mentioned, and the age limit is also mentioned here. So whatever the age limit is mentioned here, the relaxation will be provided as per the caste category. And coming to the assistant security officer group B, and coach is required for the badminton and table tennis, swimming, athletics, hockey, squash, and these all comes under the group B, so sports activities, and the level 6 pay scale. Coming to the junior superintendent, it is the group B, so academic administration and accounts, store purchase, etc. And junior superintendent and pharmacist and junior lab assistant and junior assistant as well as a driver grade 2. So these are the different vacancies, and as per the caste category, the number of vacancies are divided in the table. And coming to the minimum qualification required for these posts, so junior technical superintendent means MSc in electronics or computer science or chemistry or physics, or else BTech or BE or BSc with 2 years relevant experience, or MCA with 1 year experience, knowledge of computer applications. Okay, so these are the qualifications required here. And coming to the assistant security officer, so graduate with 4 years relevant experience, so should have the military or NCC and firefighting training and be able to drive light vehicles or motor vehicles. And coming to the coach, so university degree and recognized diploma in physical education or a BPED. Okay, and so different qualifications are mentioned here, so please go through this one. And coming to the junior superintendent, master's degree or bachelor's degree with 2 years of relevant experience. So any specialization is enough guys, no need of any one particular specialization here. And the knowledge of computer office applications. Coming to the junior superintendent, postgraduate degree in Hindi preceded by bachelor's degree with English as a subject, or bachelor's degree with Hindi as one compulsory subject, and PG in English from any recognized university with some 1 year of relevant translational experience. And coming to the pharmacist, 10+2 and diploma or degree in the pharmacy, and should be registered as a pharmacist under the Pharmacy Act. And in the junior lab assistant, so bachelor's degree in physics, chemistry and mathematics or computer science or BCA, or diploma in engineering of 3 years and duration in appropriate field, and the knowledge of computer applications. Coming to the junior assistant, bachelor's degree with the knowledge of computer office applications, and driver grade 2 is also mentioned here. And few more important instructions are given to the candidate. So the admission at tier 1 screening and shortlisting examination will be purely provisional subject to satisfying the prescribed eligibility conditions, and a tier 2 second examination will also be there. So few more general instructions are given here, and the application fee is 250 rupees, and no fee is required from IIT Roorkee regular employees or SC/ST candidates or Divyang candidates and women candidates. And the candidates applying for more than one post, then definitely have to pay the additional fee of 250 rupees. And the relaxation of age as per the caste category is also mentioned here, right? So it is a B and C post, guys. And coming to the group A, so these are the different posts are available. So finance officer and general duty medical officer and Hindi officer, as well as assistant sports officer and senior scientific officer. So the different pay scales as well as the vacancies and the age limitations are also mentioned here in this table. And coming to the qualifications, so here for finance officer, master's degree with at least 55% of marks and experience, 15 years of relevant experience must be there. And coming to the medical officer and Hindi officer, master's degree of a recognized university in Hindi with English as a compulsory or elective subject or as a medium of examination at the degree level, or else few more given here. And experience, 5 years of post-qualification experience of translation of PhD thesis abstracts. And similarly checked on the qualifications required for the remaining post are also, guys. And for this group A, the application fee is 500 rupees and there is no fee for these candidates. And if you want to apply for more than one post, then definitely you have to pay the different application fees. Okay, so these are the details, guys. Anyhow, I will provide all the necessary links at the end of the description box of this video, so please check down and share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these opportunities and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. Here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide